Hey guys, here is a video of Kelly Kumalo dragging and exposing those people who pretend to be good father here on social media. So watch the video. I'm gonna come back with the rest of my
I
comments.
woke up and I decided to put on a fur coat so I can share this message with you. It's Father's Day. Let's say as fathers are celebrating the fruits of being fathers. Not social media dads who are gladly not dads, social media spam donors who are only fathers on social media when there's barely a trace of their existence in their children's lives. And their excuse is, umama umntwana akafuni ngibona umntwana. Abo baba serious? Abo baba ingane abantu abaziyo ukuthi bazele. Okusikayo kubo mama ngambona umntanabo. Bagijima ama-coach ukuthi loya mfazi ngiyomlwisa even if it's the last thing I do because umntanami and no child of mine will grow up without a father. But ke asikho lapho. Into nje ngifuna ukuyisho ukuthi mangabe bongekho elifini yomntwana kwadlula iminyaka neminyaka awusasibaba wena. Even if you do decide to resurface or take on responsibility, uncle, you are going to be Uncle Smangmang. My husband and myself will father and mother our children. When? Uncle.
I live for the caption. One thing about Kelly Kumalo, guys, a happy Father's Day to me. Hi, guys, today it's Father's Day, but we know, obviously, she's doing everything for the kids. So, Kelly Kumalo has 3 baby daddy, guys. One, Job, 2, the late Sens. On the third one, it is alleged to be a soccer player. We don't know. I've never seen her posting him. So, guys, there's a lot that is going on with social media. One thing for sure I can say, people are going through a similar situation here. Kelly Kumalo. A person will call you and say, can you please send me the pictures zengane? I want to see her. Kanti ufuna kumphosta laphana ku-social media acting like a present father. Guys, lapho he has not seen the child for the past 5 years, 6 years. People are acting. But if a person say, right now I want to be a father, just give the person an opportunity to be a father. Guys, life is too short. I do understand the person hates you, but at the end of the day, he is the father of your child. They forgive and forget. I know it's not easy to forgive, obviously. I don't think Ukele Kumalo is ready to forgive right now because we know that she went through a lot and got chop, guys. I'm not sure when it comes to the late Senzo Mayo because in relationship with Kelly Kumalo and the late Senzo Mayo, it was different. I think she was in charge of the relationship, guys. She wasn't control because people even say what it is muti involved, alleged. So anyway, guys, it is what it is. Now Kelly Kumalo uyabadraga lapha on social media is telling them yo, don't act like Nina and you are present fathers. We know that Nina and you are pretender. Guys, let's talk to the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment, a happy